Okay, let's have a look at some possible problems that might come up and what to do about them. The first issue might be no water coming out of the new filtered tap. The first thing to check is that the water has been turned back on at the mains and that the ball valve is indeed in the on position and that no filters have been installed back to front. Next, any water leaks, first turn the power off, then the ball valve, and inspect the leaking connection and redo it if necessary. If you have a leak around a filter cartridge or the reverse osmosis membrane, pull it out and check the O-ring hasn't come out of position. Bad tasting water could be a contaminated tank in a reverse osmosis system, in which case it will need to be sanitized. It could also mean one or more of the cartridges or the reverse osmosis membrane could be due for replacement. Likewise, for a high TDS reading, the Alia ROC 189 has a built-in TDS meter and it will light up if the TDS levels get too high, so you'll know it's time to replace the RO membrane. Likewise again, for low water flow, that could be a filter cartridge due for replacement, or it could be a poor seal on the holding tank in a reverse osmosis system. Bear in mind that holding tanks in a reverse osmosis system don't just hold water, they also hold air under pressure in order to push the water out through the tap at a decent rate. Pumps in powered reverse osmosis systems cycling on and off would normally be a blocked filter cartridge, but can also be an issue with the high pressure switch. Obviously, if the pump's not working at all, it's probably dead and will need replacement. In that event, please give us a call or email and we'll do some diagnosing and replace it under warranty if need be. Another one, if you find fittings blowing off or perhaps even a cartridge bursting, you probably have excess water pressure at your premises and will need to install a PLV. As always, please contact us if you have any concerns or need help. For more information about Iland Water products, please do come visit us or check out our website at www.ilandwater.com.au. If you're interested in becoming an Iland Water reseller and would like a price list, please send an email to sales@ilandwater.com.au or just give us a call on 02 8840 5177. Check us out on social media. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter under Iland Water. Please like and subscribe and give the bell a click if you'd like a notification from YouTube about any new videos we put up. Thanks and bye for now.